Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am sharing with you guys new coupons to print. So they just added a Pepperidge Farm $1.25 off of one if you guys want to do that. The Talente and Gelato and Sorbetto, whatever, you get $1.25 off of one or $2.50 off of two. Now if you guys also go down some more, they added a really good coupon. I'm just going to scroll down and share with you guys with that one. But they did add $1.50 off the Snuggle Shakes. And then they did add the $3 off any two Snuggle products. So if you guys need those coupons, definitely print those off. I didn't see if there's anything else. But I'm also giving you guys a heads up that this is the last, not last day, but there's one more day left. So if you guys need to print coupons before they reset or completely disappear, definitely go for that. But the Aleve is still available for me. The little Smokies, Quilted Northern, Crunchmaster, and then all the baby food is still available. But just wanted to show you guys these Snuggle coupons. Definitely print those. And again, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.